Subscribe to the channel to get instant notification of all the videos I upload and enable the bell icon. So just directly go to the Google and search SPM CIL Recruitment 2020 first itself. You will be getting the official site link. So just get into it and you can see this Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited website. So directly you can see the career options and everything is given here. So just go to just below the last date it's given. View details, click here to apply, just click on that. So you will be getting the detailed advertisement so regarding this. So please keep in mind that the offices are located in Mumbai, Kolkata, Hyderabad and Noida. There are 4 currency or security presses at Nashik, Devas and Hyderabad. So there will be your offices if you are working over there. So the eligibility criteria as on must be 18/11/2020. So you must have this eligibility from that date. You must acquire that. So assistant manager materials at E1 level. Essential qualification is first class degree in engineering in the discipline of mechanical, electrical, pulp and paper technology or electronics or printing technology, and 2 years postgraduate degree or postgraduate diploma or MBA in the area of material management or stores management, etc. You can see here. So you need both of these. That's why they have given there. And so coming to the next one, assistant manager research and development at E1 level. Essential qualification is first class BTech or BE in the area of mechanical or electrical, electronics, chemical or metallurgy, pulp and paper, or a first class full time MSc in chemistry. So assistant manager HR at E1 level, essential qualification is first class full time master degree in PM and IR or MSW or MBA with HR elective from recognized university. Like that you can see the different post, the eligibility qualification, desirable, everything is given. So the important dates are, the link has already opened, that is 19/10/2020. Closing date for the applying online is 18/11, that is from till November 18, 5:30 p.m. You have the time to apply. You must apply before that, okay? Payment of fees is in online mode, that is from 19/10 to 8/11. So online examination, the date will be informed on the website after this admit card release and also the age limit as per the it's I think it's almost for the like upper age relaxation of 5 years for SC or ST, 3 years for OBC candidates, and for 10 years for PWD unreserved candidates, 15 years for PWD SC or ST candidates, and like that. You don't have to go through this advertisement again because I am already explaining it here. Examination fees and indemnity charges rupees 600. This is a non-refundable one for candidates belonging to general, EWS and OBC categories. 200 for SC, ST or PWD. Selection procedure is 75% weightage is online test and 25% regarding the interview. The candidate will be shortlisted in the order of merit in the respective category in the ratio of 1:4. So the examination level is given here. The test includes a professional knowledge test, which has a questions of 60 questions and a maximum mark of 90. General awareness 15, English 15, logical reasoning 15, quantitative aptitude 15. Total, there is a number of questions is 120 and 150 marks. Total time is 120 minutes, that is 2 hours of examination. Please keep in mind the online examination is conducted only in the various centers in Delhi, Noida, Gurugram and Faridabad. So please keep that in mind. If you can reach this examination centers only, you need to apply. So applying for the examination details are given here, scanning the photograph, etc. Then what's important here? I think it's all given regarding the applying this. It's like IBPS. Just all I need that data documents and all. That's all. There is nothing special to talk about it. So let's coming to the what then again. I think we have missed this. Yeah, this age relaxation. So as assistant manager materials level E1 pay scale is 4 rupees 40,000 to 1,40,000. You can see here. Total number of posts 7 posts for assistant manager materials E1 level, 7, 5 for general, 1 OBC and 1 SC. Maximum age is 34 all the posts. Assistant manager also for total number of posts 3 UR, 1 OBC. Assistant manager HR 3 posts, 3 for general. Assistant manager 2, 1 UR and 1 SC. So that's all about this post if you are interested. You can apply for the examination. Please keep this in mind, the vacancy, then the examination and all. Thank you.